Okay, the blinkers on this 95 Nissan 300ZX twin turbo weren't working, and I think I figured out what the problem is. I pulled the fuse out, checked it, it wasn't that. Pulled the hazard switch over here, which was already working. The hazard button was working. So yeah, I think I figured it out. This switch right here for your turn signals, I think is the problem, because I put it on high beam and low beam and it got stuck on high beam. So basically I moved it forward, put it on high beam, moved it back like this, and it was still stuck on high beam. And then I was moving this thing like this, which flashes, but it got stuck on high beam and the turn signals weren't working. And then all of a sudden now the turn signals work and everything, because I've been playing with this and moving this. But I think this is where the problem's coming from, is from this switch right here. So it's a switch. It's working now because I just kept playing with this switch, but something inside that switch, I'm pretty sure it's got a bad connection. Maybe there might be like a part in there that's got copper or brass on it that's corroded, because brass and copper will corrode. That's my guess. I haven't taken it apart and looked at it. So yeah, it's working.